Hi everyone, I'm Abigail Cosar.
Kat Pastrana.
Karima.
I'm Bea from Team Abu. Yay!
My journey as a mom is never been easy. It's taught me a lot of resilience, sacrifices, and patience.
Motherhood has one of the most transformative journeys of my life. When I became a mom, I felt like there's so much more to me that I can give to my child.
It made me selfless, more patient, responsible.
Meron ka na sa life mo na isang bata na ikaw yung mundo niya. Kung ano yung mapoprovide mo sa kanya, kung anong mabibigay mo sa kanya, yun yung magiging mundo niya. So it has made me stronger to strive for more. Mag-work hard talaga para mabigay ko lahat ng kailangan niya.
Yaman mo na, nanging selfless ko, kay tungod, put up first ko akong baby.
Yung kasagsagan ng COVID, no? I was the only doctor at our hospital in Quezon Province. Sobrang hirap. I just reach her through video calls, and whenever she says she misses me over the phone, nakakaiyak, nakakadurog ng puso even if you want to be with your daughter.
Ano ba yan? Nakakaiyak nga ito. More of sa time talaga. Gusto mo kasama siya, alagaan siya. Na medyo mahirap din kasi, kunyari, ibabalance mo para magka-oras ka sa anak mo. Hindi kasi naiintindihan ng lahat, no? Like, kunyari, sa work mo, sa training, ganyan. Gusto nila 100% ka. Pero at the same time, meron kasing maliit na tao na nag-aabang talaga sa'yo na alam mo yung hilingin niya yung oras mo. Pero at the same time, kailangan mo kasing mag-work hard. Kailangan mong mag-grow as a person.
Late night sleep, wala kang tulog. Almost every day, you have to put your kids first. A lot of time, I doubted myself, but having a good partner is also helped me a lot with my motherhood.
Kailangan mong pagsabay-sabayin lahat. Actually, during that time, I sought psychiatric help. I felt like I wasn't enough. Hindi ko alam kung postpartum depression ba siya. I questioned myself if I'm a good mom, if I'm doing a good job at my work, if I'm being enough. Remember na hindi tayo alone in this journey and that we don't have to be perfect. We just have to always do our best for each and every day.
Actually, lahat. Sinacrifice ko lahat ng time ko being just myself, my studies. Hindi nga ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, pero lahat yon is so worth it.
Don't stress yourself too much and never forget to take care of yourself.
You are your own persona. You don't have to compare yourself with them. Just be able to raise your child to be a good person.
Masarap maging mommy. Yung isang maliit na batang yon na nakatingin sa'yo, na gusto ng kiss mo, ng hug mo, is yun, naniniwala siya na ikaw ang best mom.
I love you! Mwah! Mwah!
Mami, ayaw mahigpit.